I'm going to cut open 6 Coax cables that I've got in my workshop just to see what it's like inside. I've just cut back the insulation to expose the braid, and now I'm going to cut off the dielectric. So the second one I'm going to cut is this black cable, and I'm going to take again the outer sheath off, or the insulation. This will expose the braid, if I can get it off. And we're going to check. Now the copper core looks like it's normal thickness, but there seems to be a lot more braid on the black one. Now I'm going to cut this particular cable. It seems to be much thinner. Just removing the outer insulation, and there you can see the braid. It's quite a lot of metal on that particular one. Now I'm just going to cut it open again to see what the copper core looks like. It doesn't have to be copper, but copper is the best. Copper is a very good conductor of electricity, and that's why they normally use copper. Now I just showed you the 3. They're roughly similar. And I'm going to take the 4th one apart. This one seems to have a lot more braid. And by removing the copper foil, and again moving the dielectric, and that looks a lot thicker than the other 3. Now if you just about saw that. Now I'll go to the next one. Now the colour of the cable doesn't really matter. It doesn't indicate whether it's a good cable or a high quality cable or not. It's just simply the colour you use that's appropriate to the job. Now again, I'm cutting off the dielectric, and that inner core looks much thicker than the others. So we're going now to the white cable, and we're going to strip that back. There's a lot of braid on that. So I'm now going to strip back the dielectric. I've just cut off the silver foil, and that will expose the copper core. I'm just going to put them in order of quality. So I'm going to look at the quality from left to right. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If it's possible, could you please like and subscribe? And thank you for watching my video. And I hope it was worthwhile watching. Thank you.